Jaxx Liberty is a versatile cryptocurrency wallet that provides users with a secure and intuitive platform to manage their crypto assets. The platform supports over 80 cryptocurrencies, offering a multi-asset wallet experience in one place. Its user-friendly interface makes it suitable for both crypto enthusiasts and beginners looking to explore the blockchain world. With Jaxx Liberty, users can check real-time market data, monitor portfolio values, and conduct seamless transactions. Start by opening the Jaxx Liberty website, where you'll immediately notice the clean design and straightforward navigation. The main dashboard provides a quick overview of your cryptocurrency holdings, recent market updates, and integrated tools. You'll find an option to download the app for mobile or desktop, depending on your preference. Once downloaded, setting up the wallet is simple. Create a secure PIN, and you'll be guided through the process of creating a backup phrase. This step is crucial as it ensures your wallet's security. Once your wallet is set up, navigate through the Wallet section to add your desired cryptocurrencies. Select from a vast array of supported coins and tokens, which include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. To receive crypto, use the Receive option, where a unique wallet address for each currency is generated. To send crypto, simply paste the recipient's address in the Send field and confirm the transaction. Explore additional features such as market charts and news updates directly within the app. The Portfolio Tracker is a standout tool, allowing you to view real-time values of your assets and their performance over time. The Exchange tab also lets you swap supported cryptocurrencies instantly, offering a hassle-free trading experience without leaving the platform. For new users, don't forget to sign up using the link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to claim your bonus and start benefiting from this powerful wallet.ad integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To ensure your crypto journey remains safe, always double-check transaction details and store your backup phrase securely. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive crypto wallet, Jaxx Liberty is an excellent choice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like to support us in bringing you more crypto guides.